Today is all about watching how people interact with our vehicle. So we're getting drivers in from different industries to really understand how they interact with our design. What is their experience like? What emotions do they have as they're using the vehicle? And that's really going to show us how we can improve our design for the future.
So the plan for today is a general holistic UX evaluation of the beta van. What we're doing here is going to directly impact the next iteration of the van. So any learnings we have today is going to really help with the design and build process.
So UX research, when you think about that field, you often think about the technology industry and looking at software. What we're doing is we're slightly adapting those methods and bringing them into automotive. What we hope to achieve from that is questioning legacy standards.
The lights and all look clear, nice and simple. That looks good. Yeah. First impressions.
These drivers are used to almost a subpar experience. We're trying to question that and give them the best experience they've ever had before.
They're nice and light. Oh wow, that is light.
From this research, what we will distill is a number of design recommendations for future iterations that will allow us to always do better.
It's clean, it's open, it's spacious.
We have an amazing mixture of different disciplines, skill sets and backgrounds in our team. It just gives a fresh way of thinking and a fresh way of conducting research and designing the vehicle.
How does that feel spaciousness-wise?
Really spacious compared to what I've got.
I'm looking at the human movements, the physical interaction with the vehicle, how we can maximise that to make an amazing experience, seamless flow and very comfortable experience for a user.
User experience research is all about advocating for understanding our users, whether that be a driver for the van, whether that be a mechanic who's repairing the vehicle. We need to understand and fulfill their needs.
If it was sort of there, I think I'd be happier.
The most consistent feedback was the first impressions of the van. Users thought it was modern, clean, just looked great. The main takeaways when they sat inside the van was it's very spacious, the visibility was great, and I think that's something positive that all users give us feedback on.
This is a big aspect of some of our drivers' lives. They spend hours in this a day, and if you can make their day just that bit better, with all of these touch points that come together, it's a really gratifying experience.